Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a simple setting that could possibly fix your no sound issues on the Amazon Fire Stick. So I'm just on the home screen here. Let's scroll on over to settings. Then go on down and go over to display and sounds. Now under here, let's go to audio. Then go to surround sound. It says best available. Specify audio output for your connected HDMI audio devices, TV, AVR, or soundbar. Now, mine is selected to best available. I'd suggest going to PCM and trying this, and see if this one works. Then, if there's no audio, try Dolby Digital Plus or Dolby Digital. Then, you can back out of this screen here, and go to the main settings menu. And try going to My Fire TV, and simply restarting your Amazon Fire Stick. Sometimes your audio will work after doing this. Also, you can try unplugging your Amazon Fire Stick from the wall outlet for approximately 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. Then the last resort would be to reset your factory defaults on the Amazon Fire Stick, remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Also, you can check for an update on your Amazon Fire Stick if you go to About, and go to check for updates and see if there's an update available. So hopefully one of these options did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.